Osmosis in plant and animal cell. The cell of plant and animal absorbed by water is called osmosis. In this paragraph, we will learn about osmosis in potato cell. How will it affect the potato? What will happen with the cell? What is turgid? And information about the experiment. Osmosis in potato cell. The cell membrane of the plant cell is partially permeable and the cell sap inside the vacuole is a solution of salt and sugar. When plant cells are placed in water, the water enters the cell. This is because there is an water concentration gradient so that water molecules can diffuse into the cell by diffusion. Before 1 hour, all the 9 slices of the potato were 6 centimeters. When I put 3 in dilute water, distilled water A, 3 in concentrated sugar solution B, and 3 in dilute sugar solution C. The shapes of some of the slices change. After 1 hour, I took out the 9 slices. Only the potatoes in glass A and C increased from 0 to 3 centimeters. This is because there was a concentration gradient in the water and very little concentration in the dilute sugar solution, and it was absorbed by the potato slice. Describing the experiment part 2. In the picture, the level of the water in glass A and C decreased, but not glass B. This is because the cell inside the potatoes absorb the dilute water and the distilled water. There was concentration gradient in these two glasses. The cell inside the potato absorbs the water in this, but in the dilute sugar also, but less, as there was little bit sugar dissolved in it, but in the concentrated sugar solution it did not absorb, as there was no concentration gradient and it was full concentrated solution of sugar and water. Turgid and osmosis. This is what happens is osmosis. Turgid is when water enters the potato cell, makes the cell swell up. The water pushes against the cell, while eventually the cell contains as much water as it can hold. It's like a blown up balloon. The strong cell wall stops the cell bursting. This is called cell turgid.